Well, deferred pictures that are also coming in of this anti-terror operation that is being carried out. What is being said that the terrorists, one of them have been successfully neutralized. The hunt is on for the other two, one of them also being said to be injured. But this encounter that broke out between terrorists and security forces, this is in the Nadar area of Tral, located in Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama district. And this is the information that has also been shared by the Kashmir police, saying that encounter has started at Nadar Tral area of Avantipura. Police and security forces are on the job. Further details that shall follow. But let's play out the pictures, the deferred pictures that came in of this anti-terror operation. Let's in the meantime put out what the army has to say as far as this operation that has been carried out jointly by the forces there, the police and the army. This is the fresh anti-terror operation in Kashmir. One terrorist killed in a fierce gun battle in Tral. The army has confirmed that the operations are still underway in 3 separate locations in Nadar and Tral in Avantipura. And troops have spotted suspicious movement and they were fired upon. The army had retaliated, triggering heavy exchange of fire. The search operations continue amid heightened security as one terrorist has been killed. But we are told that the search operations that are taking place in at least 3 different locations. Yavar information coming in Nadar, in Tral and also in Avantipura.
Well, Amita, this is an operation that's ongoing, and this is a similar operation. Avantipura and Tral is a similar operation. The operation is still intact in the area. The J&K police corps are telling us to move outside from this location due to the security concerns, and we are trying to move out. Shafiq, please move out. So this is an operation that has been initiated here. As I told you that the security forces have killed 1 militant as of now in this operation. There could be the number of at least 1 or 2 militants more there. That's why this operation has been intensified. That's why the police is telling us to move outside this location due to the security reasons. Remember that since the morning we have been witnessing that number of search operations were carried out particularly at this place, and security forces have finally got 1 militant here. Amita, Avantipura and Tral is a similar operation. This is a district.
Yavar, please move to a safer location there. Of course, live operations is something that we cannot show. These are deferred pictures that are now coming in. Firing that has